Hello students, welcome to SKITRE. Here I am going to show you how to use our active listening dojo. Let's consider you all have already purchased active listening dojo. First of all, go to practice tools. Here search for active listening dojo. Here, then click on view button. As you click on view button, it will navigate us to the instructive page. Here some instructions are given for using active listening dojo. Either you can listen to this audio clip, then click on start button. As we click on start button, it will navigate us to the category page. Here select category, then as we click on category field, it will navigate to its scenario page. Here select any scenario you want to practice. For example, incoming call, law office. As you click on this scenario field, it will navigate us to its informative page. Here some information is provided for this scenario. Then click on continue button. So here first listen to the main audio clip on which basis you have to answer all the questions. First time it will take some time. So listen this whole audio clip carefully, then go for questions. Here either you can read question or listen. Also here sample answers are provided for those questions. And click on record my answer and record your answer. Question number 1. Here your recorded answer is saved. Then click on save and continue button. Here you can the main audio clip if needed. Then go for question. Then let's record answer. For example, question number 2. Here we have to give answer based on this audio clip. Record your answer. Question number 3. Question number 4. So in this way we have to practice active listening dojo. Thank you.